Meh. What's up, guys? Hey, we got invited to come up here and hunt Twin Oaks. It's a private farm in Chapsonboro, Tennessee, home of the Twin Oaks bow hunters. Also home to the Tennessee Classic, one of the largest 3D shoots archery tournaments in the United States. They've held the IBO Traditional World Championship tournament on this property, but landowner Mark Baggett invited us up here for a few days. In the archery world, any tournaments, you just ask for Pappy, especially at the Tennessee Classic. They'll know exactly who you're talking about. But there's a little bit of everything going on here. If you're into archery and outdoor, primitive skills and all that, there's no better place to learn them than here at the Tennessee Classic. You got some deer skins drying out here, getting in the process of brain tan leather. I'm gonna get Pappy to run through the steps on that if he gets time. But they host some of the world's best flint knappers, some of the world's best archers, some of the world's best bowyers, all here during the Classic and just hanging out, come by and visit and stuff like that. But you can build a bow. They'll teach you how to build a bow, and then there's a tournament just for that at the Tennessee Classic. It's a 4-day event. It's fun for the whole family. Just check it out. You can YouTube it, you can Google it. It's on Facebook, so go check that out, guys. But anyway, me and Shane gonna run up to Walmart, get our hunting license, and get ready. Like I said, we're gonna do a little bit of hunting, hang out, just have some fun here. I'm gonna probably take the compound out, try to put something in the cooler, and then switch to recurve. Shane's gonna be starting off with a self bow, trying to get her done primitive style. But come along, it's gonna be a fun time. All right, guys, got our Tennessee hunting license all paid for, good to go. Just checking out some last minute items, don't really need anything, so we're just gonna head back to the property and I'll show you around that. We all legal now. Got the Boy Scouts of America here, y'all. The owner, Pappy here, the landowner, lets the Boy Scouts a couple weekends out of the year, camps out. Got the tents all set up, lets them camp on his property, have their campfires, cookouts, and do their training. They help out. He throws on some of the biggest 3D tournaments in the United States, and the Boy Scouts help them with parking and helping people out when they're holding that event. But it's one of the largest in the United States. Check that out, the Tennessee Classic. Got some hatchet throwing going on here, y'all.
Yeah, that's why I just don't do that.
You got one?
I got one.
Oh, nice. There we go. Doubled up, y'all.
I got it. Pretty good.
Now you just retire after that, like I said.
Yep.
That's when you just walk away.
That's right.
You're supposed to say, that's how you do it.
Double. Okay.
That's how you do it.
Go for it.
Meh.
Got one, guys. Ain't a monster buck, but he's a buck, illegal buck, and got her done. And like I said at the beginning of hunting season, if you're wanting to see monster bucks and all that, probably watching the wrong channel. Not to say we won't get one, but we're not passing on stuff. There, it's not a, hey, that'd be a nice one, give it another year or two, it'd be real nice. I guarantee you, this one isn't gonna be any nicer next year, but it is gonna be nice, all cleaned up in that cooler heading back to Florida. But like I said, we're only here for a couple days. There is no passing. There's a legal buck taking it, and that's what we did. We're gonna give it a minute. It was a good hit, but we're gonna give it a minute anyway. And like I said, I think I heard him crash. We'll get down wherever and go get him. So. All right, guys, we just got down, recovered this deer. I texted Shane, so he's on his way. He's gonna help me track it. It should be a pretty easy track. I think it was a pretty good shot, but this is where it started right here. I'm not gonna get the camera all up in it on the blood trail or whatever, just to keep it off YouTube. But I'll take y'all along as we go do the recovery, try to trail this blood. It looks like he's leaking pretty good, so like I said, I think it was a pretty good shot. But I'll wait on him, Shane, to get here. He's only hunting probably 400 or 500 yards down from me. Got a fresh scrape there, y'all. All these leaves on the ground, and that's still opened up. Means they still working it. Let me I think he's down, but I'm gonna put it just in case.
You want to go first?
No, or I'll just keep looking. Hold on. You got it right there?
Yeah. I'll stay off of it in case he brings that dog up there. I'm just...
Oh, you walk beside it?
Yeah, I'm walking beside it. I can see that.
Yeah. Yeah. Like I said, I come up here. I thought it would go downhill, but it looked like he turned to the left. And it looked like he started going back up. Up. Right there.
Yeah, right there. I thought he fucking...
Oh, right here.
Okay.
Right there. I'll see, look.
Huh?
Nothing. Yeah, I know. I also seen it up here, like you.
Like he went to turn and go that way?
Yeah, unless he went and then turned around. Like I said, I went there and lost it, and then just I turned around at that tree. So I don't know if he went that way and went, never mind, I'm gonna go downhill.
Well, it looks like in them leaves he went to do some silly shit right there.
Right.
You see it?
It looked like he was going uphill, and then maybe he's like, that's easier to walk downhill. So that's why I didn't even come this way yet. Huh?
We can do it, man.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure I heard him crash. And like I said, I sat up there when I texted you the first time. I was giving him plenty of time wherever, so I didn't push him any. He should be down. What do you got? You got some right there? Is that him up there? Is that him? Is that him? Oh yeah. There he is, guys. Like I said, I thought I heard it crash, but I knew it wasn't close.
Yeah.
But when he hit the ground, he was doing 40. Them Lamborghinis were kicking it. Oh yeah. That one's not going to need a follow-up shot, guys. That was a Swacker broadhead, y'all. Let's see. Hope that's not a 4-point. Woo! 3-point.
You might better find you someplace else.
Nah, that don't count. Ooh.
Ooh, Pappy gonna get that.
Nuh-uh, that ain't 4-point. It's got to be an inch on it.
Yeah.
Huh?
Come out to the front. Did you pull
No.
it out of there?
No.
You didn't pull the arrow out?
No, I haven't seen it yet. We still ain't found the arrow, y'all. Hopefully this isn't a 4-point. It's looks like I got 2 and 3. That one's not an inch. Because I think Pappy needs a 4-point for the contest. I'll tell y'all about that later. I hope it's not a 4-point. There.
You seen the deer from way up there, so we quit looking.
Yeah. Hey guys, I think we see the arrow up here. We'll go up here and get my arrow. We walked right past it. But Shane saw it from where he's at. We still haven't moved him. You have to, Tennessee, you have to tag them before you move them. Get online, do the harvest report. But here's my arrow right here. All right, guys, we'll get this tag on here. Let's see. Got temporary paper tags. I'm gonna make an effort. Tag it. I'm gonna scan that barcode, whatever. Shane's on his way to grab the side-by-side. I gotta go up here and get my backpack, and I'm gonna field dress it right here, and then we're gonna haul it back to camp. I'm not gonna show all the field dressing and all that. No need to put that on there. So I'll bring y'all back when we got him loaded up and side-by-side and headed back. Another thing. Is that old balloon or something? Yeah, party balloon. You see trash out in the woods, even though it's not yours, go ahead and grab it. It ain't supposed to be there. You know, try to leave the woods cleaner than how you found them. A lot of stuff is just them helium balloons floating around. They gotta come down somewhere. So just go ahead and grab it. All right, we're got him in the back. Gonna give him a ride up here to camp, get him all cleaned up. We'll see you back at camp. All right, guys, we got him up on the skinning rack. It was 95 pounds field dressed, and we're gonna get the skinning. We're not gonna show all that. We're gonna get him processed, coolered up. All right, guys, that's gonna bring this one to an end. It's our last day here in Tennessee. Got done with the compound. We did a traditional hunt. That's another video. If you like this one, go check out the traditional hunt video. It wasn't quite as successful. Matter of fact, we did a lot of missing, but it was still a good time. Check out that video, and if you like this kind of content, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button, and we'll see you on the next one.